Hi there, I'm Dr. Martin McPhail. I'm an assistant professor in the chemistry department of the University of West Georgia, and I'm here to talk to you about career paths in chemistry. You might already be familiar with chemistry as a typical pathway to pharmacy school, but a chemistry degree is also highly valued by a range of professional schools, including medical school, dental school, and veterinary school. The laboratory experience offered by a chemistry degree also makes chemistry majors highly effective as the toxicologists and technicians analyzing biological samples, or as biomedical researchers developing new medicines and treatments. Aside from the healthcare field, there are a wide variety of positions available to chemists across industry, government, and academia. Academic positions include working as a researcher in a university research lab, teaching chemistry as either a professor or high school teacher, or managing teaching labs at a university. Industrial chemists often work in teams performing applied research that lays the groundwork for new products or manufacturing methods. For example, many companies, such as Coca Cola, are paying chemists to develop new plastics that can be made from plants rather than petroleum. This will make their packaging cheaper and biodegradable. Many chemists are hired by manufacturers because they have a background in chemical testing and statistical analysis. This makes them ideally suited for maintaining quality control at manufacturing plants and verifying that products meet state, federal, and international regulations for sale. Their technical knowledge also leads chemists to be employed by federal and state governments. This can include performing research with the U.S. Air Force, Naval Research Lab, or Department of Energy, along with scientific advisory roles with the National Institutes of Health and the National Science Foundation. The ability of chemists to occupy such a variety of positions is due to the central role chemistry plays in understanding and affecting the world around us. Biological chemists work at the intersection of biology and chemistry, where they can drive innovation in biotech, food chemistry, and pharmaceutical research. Synthetic chemists design ways to make new molecules and materials, and they are heavily employed by industries that make pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and plastics. Analytical chemists are trained in how to detect and quantify chemical substances, which makes them highly valued by forensics, quality control, and environmental testing labs. Physical chemists apply principles of physics to chemical systems. Many physical chemists perform research into alternative energy sources, new materials for electronics, and nanotechnology. Computational chemists are constantly finding new ways to use computers to answer chemical questions. This might include simulating the dance of molecules during a chemical reaction or applying artificial intelligence to design a new medicine. The U.S. chemical industry is a foundation of the U.S. economy, comprising 10,000 companies that employ over 800,000 workers. Salaries for chemists vary depending on location and whether an advanced degree is required for the position, but starting salaries typically begin around $50,000, with senior chemists potentially earning six figures. Because the chemical industry is a foundational part of the economy, it is projected to experience healthy growth at a rate of 4% per year. In the chemistry department at UWG, we pride ourselves on preparing students for this constantly evolving field. Students gain hands-on experience in chemical synthesis, analysis, and experimental design using state-of-the-art equipment and facilities. Many students start as early as their freshman year pursuing original research under the direction of a faculty advisor or working as a paid intern at one of our industrial partners. It is through this kind of practical training that we ensure our students will not only be effective chemists, but also future leaders of their professions. I wish you all the best as you prepare for your new college journey, and I look forward to meeting and working with you in the future. If you want to know more about the UWG Chemistry Department, please visit us at westga.edu/chemistry. Go West and go Wolves!